Right. Oh, that's a bit weird. What's going on here? How many jumps? I think I might just refresh these. That's wrong. Refresh. Why's it got so many jumps? I'll refresh. Yeah, it's working. Overlay's working. Right. Hello. It's all working. Is it working? Testing. Testing. Right. Okay. Yeah. So, now, let me just move my display capture right up to the top. Okay. Now. Okay. So, hi Cliff. Hi Will. Hello me. So today, yeah, not exactly elite to begin with. I'm just checking stuff. Hang on. Verified 5 personas law and server relay speak lookup wish list and server kind guide llama plus the speaking node external included. Right. Okay. So what we're doing today. Oh, can you see? You can't see my display. There's my display. So what we're going to do today, it's interesting, is I'm installing a large language model thing. Now, it's going to be interesting because it works on the Mac, but what I didn't do on the Mac is set up the voice thing. And what's interesting is it's what it's meant to look like. And we just find the PNG again. This is a new zip. This is so it's edcovas W. So it's in here, right? So it's got lots of doodads here, but there are some things I need to do before. This is all the new thing. So what that's actually going to look like is not only will I be able to talk to it. Oh, that's excellent, isn't it? Not will I actually be able to talk to it and it do large language model stuff like GPT. Well, not like GPT. In a limited sense, it should be able to read. If we look, yeah. So basically, I'll tell you what it's going to do. I'm going to talk to it. It's going to respond, not do things, but it will give me information and stuff. At some point, it might be able to activate things, but I don't know how that's going to work. That will probably be an extra module for it to activate on triggers and stuff. But this is what it. Eventually, it will talk. It'll do searches, talk to me, give me information, tell me about engineering, all this sort of stuff, and talk to me about dogs. And I'll explain that in a minute. This panel, and have a robot voice. So this panel here, what that should do, this should be on my, eventually, this will be on my panel, okay, probably just down below. So any search information and stuff and whatever, I'll have it come up and it will stay there for... Oh, hang on a second. I was getting a call then. Huh, okay, I might have to stop for a second. And not only does this come up, when it's talking, it does a waveform. Yay. Anyway, that's a little bit on the way. Okay, because there's a few things I need to install. So, I'm in the LLM here, but I want to be in... I don't want to be in that because I've got things to install as well. So first of all, we need to follow the instructions. Here's the instructions. So there's lots of little things to do. Full Dale's sales. This is a short version. Okay, so we've got to first of all we make sure we've got the Python, and then we've got Ringette. I don't know what that is. eSpeak NG. Now eSpeak is a robot speaking thing or a language speaking thing. Then we've got Open JavaScript and Open JS, which are JavaScript things that throw data backwards and forwards. It uses it. So one of my phone went there. So we've got to do these first. So this is quite fun. So I need to do this. I'm going to make sure. I don't think I need to be in here, so I'm going to open a terminal in here. So let's do that one first. Can it let me select it? Okay. Oh, well, that sort of does it. We'll have a look. I don't know what Ringette does. I've never heard of that before. Now we're in Windows now. It's Control V, Control Control C. Oh, do it again. I'm just going to copy them. Control C, Control V. So what's that going to do? So it wants Python dot 3.12. Let's see what that does. Okay, it's installing. Do you agree to? Yeah, go on, put it all in. Python is already installed. Trying to upgrade. These applications is licensed to you. So we're updating Python now. Oh, okay, yeah, let's do it. So there's something might be a reboot, but hopefully not. So this is the package install. So it's upgrading to the Python that it needs. Why it needs it, I don't know. We'll find out. So it needs all these decent Pythons. I don't know what 3.12 does, but it says it's already there. So I wonder what ringget is. That like pip? Interesting. Ringget. Never heard of that before. So this is the 64-bit Python. That's fine. So let that install. So we'll start in from scratch, and there's quite a lot of stuff to do. From start, we've got to put the speaky thing in, eSpeak, and then we've got to put the open JavaScript node, so JavaScript nodes in there. Then we've got to install the actual LLM, and then close the terminal, and then there's this new one which pulls whatever that is. I think that I think that tells me things. I don't know, or puts Python commands in it. Don't know. Alarm pull instruct. So I'm assuming that this bit here does instructions. Then we set up a folder for requirements.text. So ed carvas file summer streaming covas. Click the address bar and type command enter. Put the edv covas in. How much VRAM do you have? I have 16. Okay, so this requires 7, and I know that it worked on my old 12 gig card with room to spare. But if it doesn't do it, there are 7 gig. There's also smaller installs as well, like 4 and then 2s, which are more compressed. So we'll see how that goes. But if it doesn't work, it's apparently I can use my Mac downstairs as the server, which means I don't need to load it and unload it from VRAM all the time. It means I could just leave it up, which would be quicker. Okay, that's done. Yeah, it's Gren 2.57B, but there is a 4B and a 2B, 4 gig and a 2 gig. But it's, maybe they don't have the names of all the presidents or world history or something in there. That's what I asked it. So you're saying that the smaller one might not have all the presidents in? No, yeah, that's a good point. So now we need the eSpeak, which is the speaking system. Which they've got a few speaking systems in this. There's eSpeak. There's some of the ones that are built into Windows. There's also the browser ones, and also I've got it to connect or use the synth used in my robot voice, so my robot voice can talk to me and annoy me. Okay, well, is this going to work? Let's have this. So we're installing eSpeak NG. Now, I've done this on the Mac. It was fine. It all worked. It speaked weird things. It told me jokes and got flustered. Oh, there we go. Let's do this. But whether it works, so it worked on the Mac. Whether it works on this, I don't know. So we've got OpenJS. Was it already there? Okay, I haven't got that. So let's do the next one. So this is properly important. Copy. So this is the Open JavaScript thing. This is the layman's term install sheet. Now, I am going to put all this and the instructions up on Discord with a huge disclaimer that it will probably break everything. Oh, expect a prompt. Oh, okay. Ooh. Let's see what that does. Was it want my number? Does it want my code? Expect a prompt. Oh, if it expects a... Oh, we've got odor. Oh, okay. So what it should do... I've done everything Everything works. Stuff goes in, tells me dogs, stuff. It searches journals. It looks online. It hasn't done the journal server yet, but it did a fake journal server with a couple of journals in it. So it all works. It's the main thing is getting it worked on here and getting the voice activation up. Now, I've not done that, but apparently we'll have... Oh, no, not that. Where did... I thought I opened that. Oh, come on. Oh, it is already in here. Hang on, let me find the PNG. Let me just open download as PNG. Oh, it's done it again, is it? Oh, for God's sake. LLM, edcoves W, edcoves, save. Right, now this is what we should see, if you missed it, is what we should see on the panel. Now, I was asking it to, it was apparently wanting a virtual cable thing. So, rather than go straight, to plug it into OBS, okay, I'll be able to plug in an audio source. But I said, can you do it another way? Yes, dogs, Cliff. You and your emojis things. Are those? Is that bottoms, Cliff? So it came up with this, and it had a little volume line, so you can tell how much volume it is. And I said, can you make it a waveform? So it said, yeah. So it's produced this using the same style as my panel, so I can put that somewhere else. And not only will it tell me if it's ready or connected, it'll also, if it's not connected, it will say not connected. It will tell me what that is, and it will also give me a waveform scrolling across of the stuff, so that would be hilarious. But that also means, because it's HTML, it can send it down to my ED journal server. I think it was that. And the ED journal server will send that data back up to it. So the voice, so it's taking that, yeah, something like that. Right, okay, so where were we? Okay, so, so we've done that. Now, close every terminal. Every terminal. Oh, okay. That means the chat as well then. Sorry, chat. Okay, I'll close this down as well. Open a fresh one. Okay, I'll open a fresh one in here. And so this is pulling out the... now I'm using the Alarma, which is Quen, I think. Quen 7 point something. I can't remember now. It says 7B. Now 7B is a big one, so that's pretty cool. So copy, and let's see what this does. If it's installed properly, it's not recognise the name of a commandlet. Oh. Or executable Alarma. I thought I just I did. Oh, did I install Alarma? Did I install Alarma? Do you remember installing Alarma? I don't remember now. Did I get it down? Oh, I did get it down. Where did I put it? I'm sure I put it. Alarma setup. Okay, well, let's copy it. I'm sure I did that, you know? Okay, put it there. I'm sure I put that in. I'm sure I did it. But we'll start it again. Shouldn't matter. Alarma setup. So this is now inputting in the Alarma. Oh, that, yeah, I don't remember seeing this. It's got the little llama, an O-llama. Yeah, I don't remember seeing that. Right, now this is bringing in all the... no, it's not yet. No. Yeah, but it will be now. On this environment, what are you talking about? Well, it might be now. We'll see. I don't know. I mean, it should be agnostic to where it is, shouldn't it? Shouldn't it be agnostic? Doesn't matter where it is, because it installs here. It's actually installing to the libraries. So surely, yeah, I don't think I've done this yet. I don't remember doing it, so that's probably not right. Well, I don't know what you mean installed in that environment. I never really understand all this Condor stuff and whatever. So I'm trying to get it to explain it to me, but I don't know. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at this. What we got. Codec, so we can launch things on here. I don't need any of that. Oh. Okay. I don't need that. So I'll close that. Now, I'm going to close that down, open a new terminal here. I don't know. I don't know if I'm right. Okay, and we'll just copy that again. Oh, it's pulling the manifest. Okay, it's showing what's in it. So we've got... Right. It's pulling the manifest and showing what I've got on it. Or is it just expanding it? New commands won't be found. So I assume that's putting in commands into it. So it's installed a load of commands into the environment, I guess. So of course it's like 4.7 gigs. I don't know if that's... There's a few of them. There's a few different versions you can pull down. So we're down in 7B. I don't know what 2.5. That might be the... Yeah. So it's a 7 gigabyte, I think. 7B, 7 gigabyte. It says 4.7. But we'll see. That might be a compressed size. I'm not sure. So now we're down... But this great big model. The Model M. The Model M? What's the Model M? Paul Gren Model M. I don't know what Model M is. Yeah, so this is the trained model that's coming down. All the trained new ones. I did actually ask Claude, say, well, can I train it with things? And it said, well, you did ask for the Windows Quick Start. Yeah, well, do you really want to get into that? Get it hallucinating and escaping from its sandbox? I thought, oh. I went, yeah, well, I want to start training it up. Maybe another day. I'll just fill it full of Lord of the Rings. I'll go. So it's going to be interesting to see if it works. Once this is done, I think the rest of it is probably going to be fine. Because we've got the requirements here. Push to talk. Then, yeah. Push to talk library should be fine on Windows. Then all it is I do a Python self-test. And then I go into the Notepad. Yeah, I know. I realised that when it told me. So I've got to put the journal directory, which voice I want. Well, I don't know. Which key I want. So I'm probably going to try and find one of my hotkeys on here. Which one? Yes, I think that's correct. Yes. And then which large language model. So instruct. And then after that's working, now I've got to send the output to OBS. So we've got 3 different ways of sending it out. You can send it to the device, the local audio device, okay, or send it to OBS, which means it's quiet on a device, but you can hear it and I can monitor it. I might put it just to device first. So yeah, browser host. Then you've got the local host here. Oh, it has got a local host. I thought that was going through journal server. Never mind. Control audio, and that's just quite straightforward. And there's root B, which we ignore. And then I just need to make sure I've got the there's nothing, so no conflict. F13. I haven't got an F13 on my keyboard. And then I put the panel in, and then I've got to I've got to make sure if I quick VPN. So let's just get rid of VPN. Yeah, VPN. It does not like VPN, so we're going to sign out of that. So it doesn't like it otherwise. Did I just do something? Not sure what I did there. Has it started again? Was it a different thing? I wasn't watching. Anyhow. What's with the camelids? Camelids? What do you mean camelids? The camelids. I don't know. And then we've got some voice options on the Windows, which we can put into different processes. So eSpeak, nothing extra. Then I can determine if it's the Vox FOMS or Vox mainframe. And these are the... Do you remember the robot speech? It's now taken that synth into the there, and then we've got pip install, I don't know what that means, and then Python, and then when it goes wrong, yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, I was gonna. You could split tunnel to proxy. Like, I've no idea what that means. But I think that's what the main thing is. That if it wants to get out to look at, I'm not going to start muxing with. I don't know what kill switch or split tunnel means, or no proxies, or any of that. So I only got VPN just as a shield against something. Yeah, and then so the reason it says quit NordVPN is I think because I might, if I have problems, serve it from the Mac, and the Mac is very fast. Windows VPN is probably okay, but the Mac VPN Nord just doesn't like it. Nothing will get out. This was the problem with doing when if Cliff's still listening, was the trying to play some games, you know, from downstairs and upstairs. Some sort of, was it that? I can't remember. Some sort of arcade game, multiplayer thing. Now, did critting the VPN do this? It might have done that. I don't think so. It's downloaded. Or is it downloaded? What does pull mean? Does it mean pull it from? I think it looks like it's downloading. Yeah, okay, we'll just leave that going. I think I may have upset it. Right. Yeah. So we are still up here anyhow. So it works with robot voices, and it works with the internal ones, and it works with eSpeak. All those things work downstairs. It works from a text prompt. It can search ED, whatever, EDMS, EDSM, ED. It can go out to there and pick data up. It can search the journals, and also it can search. I've got docs. No, it's not docs. It can also look in lore. So I've got things about here about house style, exobiology, about Deciat. I don't know, things about myself, the ship, and also a thing about dogs. So if I open the dogs thing up, this is the page for dogs. So the triggers are dog, dogs, puppy. So you go to the triggers first, and then it can talk about dogs and stuff. So yeah, that'd be cool. So I don't know where we are exactly. There we go. We'll just keep going. So we've got things like engineering. It just tells me about engineering. So it gives this basic information for it, and then it can go off and look. So it tells there's trigger things, and this is to speed up the searches basically. So it can look in the journals, and you can make your own. I'm thinking of doing one in like Star Wars, and you could do a Star Wars one. And if there's anything about Star Wars in, it can triggers, it looks through this, and then it can go do searches in its thing. So in its model. Yeah, okay. So let's keep this doing. I think I upset it with... so I have got it working in the background. I'm not going to start the... Is the game still going? Yes. I'm not going to start up the chat or the journal server just yet until it's finished. Now this is exactly the same process we did with the Mac downstairs, and it was fine. There's a lot more pips than Ring gets, and the only thing that was different is obviously, you know, I didn't have Elite on it, so it did actually create some false journal stuff, samples. Oh no, these are the RAW files. It was self-test sessions. Oh yeah, they're just and it was. Oh yeah, there is a make test journal Python script there, which will just take some generic journal files to test it. It's requirements.txt already there. So we've got bench. I think that does benchmarks. We've got the main brain. We've got the cockpit voice thing. We've got lore. So any law, anything that it doesn't, this is the first trigger that goes into the law to see what's going on. Then we've got some personas with different personas in it. So we've got angry and sad and chatty and nerdy. We've got a sync. Can't remember what that means. We've got states, no ideas, tools. There's the voice one. So should be the one that sends the voice to things to the outputs of voice. So we'll see how that works. I don't know. And that's everything. In personas, we've got the different personas there. So we've got impatient, and you can see this is a configuration for the pay, as anticipated. So we've got some, I don't know, some chatty things in there that we could put in, to make it. So we've got serious intonation and stuff. And we've also got standard, nerdy, veteran, flustered. Now there should be in the Vox. Here's the Vox. Okay, we've got a Vox. These are the JavaScript. So we've got the Vox Forge engine. Now if you remember that robot thing, if I can find it, Elite Vox Forge. I'm looking for it. And it's down here, isn't it? Oh, there we are. There's Vox Forge. ED Voice. I missed it now. Did I scroll past it? Oh, there's Vox Forge. Yeah, this is Vox Forge, where we can. Attention, all systems are nominal. I don't know if you can hear that. 1, 2, 3, standing by. I haven't got that set to robot voice, but anyhow, I think you can hear it in the mic. And we can save some presets, and we can take out the values for that and put it into the robot voice. So, attention, yeah, and we can tune the. Yeah, anyhow, that's enough of that. Oof. So we can take some of the parameter of that and bake it into the JavaScript for the. Let me go back to Windows EDCodeVS. So in the Vox, if I open that, open with unknown. I don't matter. Open it. So the intonation, so this is the Vox Forge engine. It's the same engine that's in there, AX. I've got all the overrides here. So this is a lot quicker than running it through things like it's got all the crap here. So if you turn that off, and it might be that one. Open with Visual Studio Code. Yeah, just open it. Now where are the presets for here? These are the presets. So this preset, I wonder where I put it then. Must be elsewhere. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Well, I wonder where it is then. Probably in the setup here, something. I wonder where I put it. Well, it did tell me. Oh, it's done. It's done. Success. Okay, so we've done that. Put the EDCodeVS file somewhere. Streaming. Open File Explorer. Okay, let's close that now. Put the EDCodeVS, so I've done that. Open, click the address bar, type command. It's talking about. Click the address bar. Can you do that? Put the open the folder in Explorer. Click the address bar. What's address bar? What's he talking about? Surely I'm just opening a terminal in it. I don't know what click the address bar means. And open command. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Now, I think this is probably right. Because it's just going to rebuild the environments, the requirements, sorry. I don't think I've ever done that before. Collecting requirements, and it's building crap. I don't know. What's it doing? Sound device. Oh, this is very interesting. Hugging face. That's where that's what Mythic tried to break into. File like fspec. All sorts of stuff there. Sound device. Faster whisper. Bringing in the whisper stuff. So I'm assuming that requirements.txt shows everything that we've got in there. Let's have a quick look what's in there without messing with it. Oh yeah, NumPy, Skippy, faster Whisper, WebSockets. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know it could do that. That's cool. That's interesting. Now have I broken it? To update, run, pip install, new release. We won't do that. Right. One wants to... Right, let's do a self-test. I have no idea what any of this does. All right, let's have a look. Let's copy. So, self-test. Thinking. What's it going to do? All I can hear is Elite in the background. It's doing... Maybe it's doing it. Maybe it takes time. It said it took time to do this. Just ask it. Let's go back here. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's doing stuff. It's doing a test. Pass. Okay, so it passed. About 15 seconds. Done speech to Rav Stitches, which is most of it's at the. It doesn't need so slow self-test mode. It's just audio rendering. Yeah. There's it next to the script. Oh, hang on, we've got self-test session Rav. Okay.
Fuel is at 23%, Commander. 7.4 tons of 32. This is Class K, scoop on a...
Okay, the self-test works. And self-test session Rav, self-test out. So there's self-test out, which gives you the different ones that each one individually. Oh, blimey, I don't like that voice, but we'll sort on that. Okay, so that's working. Good. Speech stuff is working, so it's requirements. We've done the self-test. Open a notepad and set 4 things to what? The config. Yes, config. Yes, config. Where's the config? Am I going blind? ED Covas. Covas. Oh, Covas. I don't see it. Am I going blind? One wants to create Cove. Oh, I'll just refresh that. I don't see it. Unless you can see it. Okay, first config. Unless it's in a different directory, config. I did open it in this, didn't I? Yes, that's right. Okay. Let's see. Unless config Covas no samples. Let's go out and back again. Covas W ed Covas. Can't see it. I wonder, I can't see it. That's going to be the important thing to get it working. Well, it is working. I just need to. Come on, let's do it. I'm going to start the journal server now. There's my journal servers. Okay, let's open a new folder back in. I could have opened that, couldn't I? Oops. Oh. Stop it. Okay. Oops. AD. Well, that didn't help, did it? Right. We've got. Okay. Journal server's working. I'll just get the chat working as well. let's see, we've done Python on, and it's YT with the API. Okay, that's a chat debug. One all addresses. Has it found it yet? Connected to. Okay, so it should get the chat back up now. Okay, make sure it gets the chat up. Let's bring this back over. Fix both ways. ED Covas. Oh. I documented your setup with self-test. Self-test? One self-test? Didn't I just do that? Okay. What? Covas Windows, Covas. No, I don't see it. Okay. ED Covas. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, we'll just do it again then. I'm sure that did it, but we'll see if it does it again. Did I not do that? I'm sure I did that, you know. Python ED Covas Py init. Okay, so we'll do that. Worth checking. Let's see if it appears. No. Okay, let's do this then. We'll try this way. See if this does it. Writes it explicitly. Updated key v. Okay, well, it's given me a new one. So we'll just, oh, hang on, I'll wait for that to finish. I don't see it. Interesting. You think so? Well, let me just go into. Let me just do it again. Open in terminal. Oh, come on. Right. Okay. And save. Okay. So you think it's there, do you? Don't see it. So what we're going to do, we're going to reinitialize it with a new thing. Ah, there it goes. I saw something happen. There it is. Yeah. Okay. A bug. Documentation, self-test, but the scariest, self-test never wrote it. So the instruction got the file. Okay, updated Covas, quick start. Okay, good. Worth checking after the file lands, whatever folded. Right, we got it. Okay, good. Okay, bug, all fixed. So now we need to, where was it? Oh, I've lost it now. No, it's up there. Okay, let's open that. Stop it. Come on, you, stop it now. Honestly. So, oh my goodness. There, here we go then. Journal directory. So I need my directory. It says it's saved games. We'll just check that. If that is actually where it is. Right, okay. Just to double check. And so see users. What am I doing? Yes, this PC, Windows users. It says Steve. Yeah, how does it know who I am? Huh? How does it know? Frontier Developments, Elite Dangerous. Yep, they're all here. Good. Right, so that's journal directory. Journal directory is null. So I think that's probably right. So we'll copy that. And we'll stick the journal directory in there. Do I have to put it? Yes, I have to put it into speech marks. Of course. Of course, of course, of course. Yep, speech marks are different on a PC. Okay, right. Now, voice profile. Now, let's do output first, because let's just the output, because that's just to the speaker. Okay. Then we've got PTT. Now, PTT. PTT. Now, which key do I want? F13. I think we'll go to. Let's pick a. What about O? What about O? We'll go to O. I don't know if that'll work. Joystick button. No, I don't know how to get the joystick button. We'll leave that for a second. PTT key O. I think that'll probably be right. Now, the large language model is... Where's the LLM? It needs to know the LLM. That's good because I'm a different... LLM. I can't see LLM. Am I blind? Should be up the top here. URL model. Oh yeah, Gren 2.5 7B instruct. Seems to be know that. Okay. Okay. So right now, voice output OBS. I'm going to put device, local audio device at the moment, just to see if it works. So voice was device, correct. Don't need to worry about it in OBS at the moment. Push in. Okay, Cytec done. We won't worry about that. Map a spare X52 button to F13. I just want to see if it works first. And then it's all panels. Then we've got the starting. I can put that into Python, e.g. journal folders, server Pi, start OBS. I don't need to give an journal folder to part ed. And then I'll just do that. Oh, blimey, okay. Oh, stream up. Yeah, I can use stream up for that. Okay. Let's save that. Okay. Okay, let's try this first. We'll have a go. We'll have a go at audition to see what's actually going on. Oh, come on. Okay. Right, where were we? We are in ED Covas. See what's happening. Oh, that's all 14 rendered into audition. Right, where's the audition? There's audition. It did something. Audition. Oh, okay. Audition wheel. Well, okay. So this is all the different voices.
Frame shift right charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander. Comms. Frame shift right charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander. Ask. Frame shift right charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander. Vox.
Frame shift right charging.
That's my robot Vox voice.
Commander.
Vox comms.
Frame shift right charging. Further back 23%. Commander.
Vox mainframe.
Frame shift right charging.
These are the presets from the Vox Forge.
Vox custom.
Frame shift right charging. Further back 23%. Commander.
Retro. Frame shift right charging. Fuel at 23%.
Okay, yeah. You get the idea. Now, we've got a few others. We've got some natural comms as well. I could put pip install chatterbox, which would, so I could talk to it and it'd be like talking to myself, but I do that most of the time. Okay, let's try this. Piper TTS. This is more natural comms stuff. Let's see if it does this. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, okay, right, okay, let's do it now. Audition might come up here. Now, I'm really tempted by Chatterbox, but I don't know what I'd clone. I was thinking of doing the robot from Lost in Space, but I'll probably get told off. Anyhow, let's try this now. So this does net piper. Got two pipers and two says. The says won't work because they're from They're the Mac ones, the Mac comms. Which are okay. Let's do it again.
Covers.
So we should hear the Piper ones now.
Box custom.
Frame shift drive charging. Back 23% commander.
Retro.
Oh,
Frame shift drive charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander.
no, it didn't do it. Let me think now. I thought it did it. Maybe I haven't got Piper put in. Have I got Piper? Skip, no Piper voice. Oh. Oh. Have Piper voice. You don't need one. Voice profile. Oh, I didn't put it in. If you do want Piper, Python Piper download. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me just bring that down. So we're going to bring down some lovely. That's what I did downstairs. Yes, that's right. Yeah. So download some Piper voices, hopefully, or not. Downloaded E. That's Alba Medium. Piper voices are there. I think there was a lady one as well that I heard. What I really want is Amanda's one. Now, what I thought, if I recorded Amanda's voice. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, that keeps going. I might just pause for a second. Okay. Just bear with me. I've got a friend calling me. He keeps calling me backwards and forwards. So we've got male Alan, American. Down audio. What we got? American, US, male, American. Download any of them. Oh, let's get Jenny then, shall we? We'll get Jenny down. There we go. I don't know how it works, but we'll get Jenny down as well. Grab 2 or 3 and compare with audition.py. The quality suffix is on Corey. Yeah, it's Corey's the one I want. Medium and high. Well, I don't want. The thing is, it. Oh, wait, okay. Let's try the audition now. Okay. We've got not Chatterbox. Right. Okay. We haven't got Chatterbox now because I haven't got that installed. I do want to work with it. You know. What did I do? Oh yes, it's the wheel, isn't it?
Covers.
Okay, that's enough of that.
Natural.
Frame shift drive charging. Fuel at 23%.
No.
Commander.
Natural comms.
Frame shift drive charge.
Get to your right stuff. It was uploading, wasn't it? Okay, hang on a second.
Covers. Frame shift.
Frame shift drive charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander.
Natural comms.
Frame shift drive charging. Fuel at 23%. Commander.
Retro. Frame shift drive charging.
Drive charging.
Natural.
Okay, that's enough of that. We've got enough things in there. Now I've put, I can't remember what I did, but we've done that. Okay, so if you bear with me a second, I've just got to talk to somebody. I'll just put the lovely ED image on so you can watch it. There you go. Right, back again. Right, yeah, back again. Sorry about that. Right, we're back. Now, okay, so done all that. When it all goes wrong, so now what? To test the LLM. Now, I think, right, okay, we're here. Let's go back to ED-COVAS. Right, let's get, let's check Olama. Olama is actually working. So that's all working. We've got the Vox stuff, and I think I know we haven't got any cloned comms, although I'm tempted to do that. The only problem with that is that it has to send it to Chatterbox, and it takes a little bit of time for it to come back. Not a lot. Not on this rig, but you know, it's trying to. There's a time here. So, for instance, the time is the amount it takes to convert it. So, COVAS, so the eSpeak is the fastest, but even so, like the Vox comms, all the robot stuff is, well, I don't know, 115 milliseconds. That's fine, but Piper, that one, a natural, took a long time to do it. Retro, so there's, yeah, and the Mac ones were quite fast as well, because what you're trying to do is get speed going. So if you've got like a huge language model and loads of data and everything, it can take time to wiggle its way through. So anyhow, let's go and test some stuff. I'm going to clear this terminal, and let's go. Right, let's list. It's got I've got some things here, so let's list it. So we've got 4.7 gig. Oh, I thought that was bigger than that. I don't know. No, well, it did say 4.7. So, right, let's give it something to do. Right. Say hello in 5 words. Now, it's probably loading into memory or broken. That little wiggly thing there is a good sign. Or not. Well, it's say hello in 5. I don't know what it's trying to do. Is Kovac talking to you? Look at the startup line. Instruct, yeah. Says backend not answering. No, it's fine. Ah. Says hello, nice to meet you. Ooh. Backend not running. So Python ED-COVAS test. Okay. Let's test now. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's that say? Load config file. Ooh. Let's see if we can find ED-COVAS line 16 in module main. Right, that looks wrong to me. JSON decoder. What does that mean? Here we go. Debug time. Now, I wonder what's going on here. JSON error. There's an invalid escape. Is that to do with my... No, we've got... It's a pi is fine. JSON parsing issue. Device web auto escaped. Diagnosed. Right. There is a problem here. Although this is exactly the same, or is it? This is exactly the same as I used on the Mac. So maybe there was a change somewhere. Make the config loader repair Windows / paths. Oh, is this to do with Windows pathing? Test loader again, / and correct configs. It was a Mac, wasn't it? Is Mac forward or back? Do you know? I can't remember. So something's not right here. Anyhow, yeah. Okay, verify update job with the package. Okay, so what do I need? What's it giving me? Yeah, so it was, this was working on the Mac. Most of it is exactly the same. So it's got 3 files. Okay, ED-COVAS. JSON reads US, grab it, or so just run it. Okay, so right, let me just get that. Oh, no. Oh, download. Okay, Vault Doodle, LLM, ED-COVAS Windows. So I've left the Mac one alone. Save, replace. Okay. Oh, we go. We've got another one there. Paste the output of Vox delimiter. Expecting. That's my problem, isn't it? Line 9. That's probably my fault. Line 9. 9. Paste the output of the code to override. Oh, blimey. Okay. Profiles. Oh, have I not done it? Vox parameters. None. Okay, I got null there. Okay. It says I've lost it. There you go. Vox parameters. Paste the output of Vox files HTML copy setting here to override. Expecting. I'll just ask it for that because I don't know what that means. Okay. Vibe coding all the way. That's what I'm doing. Okay. That's probably a syntax error in here somewhere. Why haven't I got word wrap on this? Probably not a good idea. I mean, that's correct, although it does have probably something right at the end of here. Line 9. Yeah, it's got some. I'm not sure what it is. So it's on line 9. That's the problem, but I can't see what it is. Although those coming up in red could mean something. That's an escape character, isn't it? Backslash is an escape character. Trying to remember, like escape. Oh God. Is it 64 space? Oh, I can't remember. Trying to remember. Back in the time. Back in the days when there wasn't even a Windows. Been a long time since I've had to think about escape characters. No, for you know, Oki printers. And building escape characters into dbase so that it would format stuff and sending out proper line commands and things. It was a bit silly. Yeah, I don't see any other problems there. That looks like that red one. That's an escape character speech mark. Sorry, not speech mark. Well, I'm going to call it speech mark. Let's restart every escape trap. I thought this would be a bit quicker, but not to worry. This was the idea. By the way, the rest of the ship, you may have seen that we've got an AI image of an anaconda, a cobra rather, being updated. It was quite funny. It made the people huge to begin with. Okay, so characters 9 cases. Okay, it wasn't. Yeah. Okay, we got that. You got it. Did you give us this? Someone shouting my name? I don't think so. Get rid of that. Okay, let's try this again then. Okay. Sync relay. The journal server is not. Oh. Still looking. Looks up. Still goes to clipboard log. Oh, did I not put my local host? Ah. Okay. Text model type, Control C to either sync relay. It's not finding my host. What does that mean? Sync, journal server not up at. I think it made some changes to the journal server. And maybe I didn't copy it in. Let me have a quick look. This ED journal server is here. I can't see it. Made 3 changes. Speak relay. Relay send mechanism. Relay speak serves HTML. Your existing behavior. Tracker. It's in tracker patched. Oh. What? Okay, well, let's take that. Oh, I see. Yes, it's put these in the right place, or in the wrong place. The right one's in the wrong place. The right tune's in the wrong order. So let's go back to Elite. And we'll just, let me just save this. I'm going to not save it. Oops. Old. I should put original there, but okay. So ED Journal Server. Right, let's try it now. It's doing it. Okay. So I didn't think, I forgot it did the journal servers as well. So let's try it now. Watching Elite. Journal server not up at. Look up, still go to clipboard. Okay, that's interesting. Right. Right, Control C. Let me just do this again. Right. So now it's tracker patched Convas audio HTML, which sits beside it. Serve speak. Yeah, okay. Let's see what it says about that. Maybe, and that shouldn't need. It's because it's a server. It shouldn't need. It shouldn't matter if it's in the. Get status. Oh, hang on. Control C. Let's put it up again. Right. Let's try that again once more. Watching. It's journal server not up at. Right. Okay. Control C. What does it say? Two real bugs here. The reconnect loop is a good catch on my part. I don't know what catch is. There's a profile called output in your config, which doesn't exist. The line probably wants to make. Oh, okay. Few fixes. It's funny because it was working before, you know. A few fixes from Doodle LLM. Covas. Right, it's a config again, is it? So I kept that open. Where it says voice. Apply. There's a profile called output in the device. In your config, there's a profile called output that doesn't exist. It fell back to eSpeak silently, would have crashed. Now it warns at startup. The line probably wants to be profile output. Foxcom's output obs. The line probably wants to be. Well, let's download these first. Let's get these in for a start. I'm beginning to get a little bit frustrated with it now. As you'd expect. Okay. That's the ED sync. Whatever that does. ED Covas. That's pi. ED Covas and save. That's fine. Oh, but where do I put that? Where do I put it? I've got output here. Voice profile output device. Change the lines to Vox comms. Okay. Oh, Vox comms. Okay. Obs device obs. Okay, put obs in there. Leave everything else. All right, that's what it says. Send it to device. Why can't I send it to device? Yes, output device. That's a default. Yeah, I want device, thanks. Local audio, yeah. I don't want it to do this yet, the COVS audio HTML, because that's the next step, is to get it. Okay, right. Okay, let's try again. Let's clear this now. Journal server is connected. Let's just start that again. Okay, that's done. I'm in Laxac. Okay, games to watching. Sync palette. Look up, still go to clipboard and log. Oh. Okay, good. Can I change to Piper? Lady. We'll change it to... I can't be putting up with that. Yeah, done that. Profile natural comms. Okay, we'll get natural comms in there, I think. Dear. Gonna put in that. Okay, let's try it. Open with... let's see, Vox comms. I cannot be putting up with that. Because that's... if I can... I don't know if I can find... the... I wonder where it is. That must be in a different thing. Okay, natural comms, save. Can't put up with that. So I'm typing now. So what's up? What's I've got to talking proper English in exact words, otherwise it might nuke me. No. No. Right, okay, that's not doing it. Natural comms. Test. Yeah, all right, stop it, stop it. Okay, let's just test this, actually. Check the ED voice is actually bringing it up.
Range of drive charging.
Okay. Now, did I do it? Actually save it? I've got natural comms. Piper model. Oh, the Piper model. What's the Piper model? Oops. Okay, Piper model. I didn't put the Piper model in, did I? Okay, it's natural comms. I'll probably find one that isn't so... Okay. Oh, yeah, save that. That would have helped.
Frame shift drive charging.
Cool. Okay, let's clear this now. Okay, and we want text. Okay, this is just a text mode. Yeah, okay, unavailable. What does that mean? I'll just put this to Claude and see what it says. Unbound local error in the keep alive loop. Yes, it's a 70-minute coding adventure. Exactly. I was expecting it to take 30 minutes because I tested all these yesterday on the Mac and I thought everything was working. But you know, Windows. Different, innit? Different, innit? We've got lovely ambient elite music in the thing. I was meant to be rebuilding. I'm going back to Shinrata. I've got a whole new slightly build. Run it all through Coriolis and did some shifting around of some modules and got rid of a few things. And I've got the power fabulous now. And the shields much better and more armor and a lot less loot usage. And I got rid of some of the things I didn't really need. So it's all going to be really cool. Thanks to you, Treeshold, and if Rusty was on there, Rusty, there was Andy as well. I don't know, lots of people. Been going through Coriolis Hate that thing though. It's just messy. I just want a spreadsheet, you know. But I'm still not going to have material helper and all those spanch and other things. I think spanch might be useful, mind you, but I still think I'll pull back from that. And you, Cliff, yeah. Oh, hello, Cliff. Sorry, I forgot you. You're really helpful. You're really helpful. Right, ED sync. My fault, it says. Sloppy patch. Okay. Fixed and verified. It did it wrong, did it? Okay. Well, let me just Control C this for a sec. Download as Pi. Well, Will likes it. You're enjoying it, Will. You still there, Will? You enjoy it, don't you? Will's, you're into stuff like this, aren't you? I think. Yeah, we were talking about it earlier, about all the new NVIDIA ones that are coming out, I think, but F and NVIDIA. Even though I've got one of their cards. Have I got one of their cards? What did I get? I can't remember now. I don't know what I've got. What can you do? Yeah. It was fun. It was fun talking to you about all this because I don't really understand it all. Let's clear it again. Okay. And this is the most terminal work I've done ever. I think. Well, in this since 10. Okay. Oh, sync panel relay connected. I think the sync sends it to my Windows. What does it do? Where COVAS results go besides the speaker. So I'll bring it over. So when it gets if a speech is gone the moment it is said, a station called Gosha Orbital is no use. Spoken, you need to paste it in a galaxy map. So it goes to the clipboard. It puts it into the clipboard. Okay, so it could be useful. It takes it into a log, and it also relays it through the journal server to that panel I showed you, where it shows up in a panel. And when it speaks it, you get a little waveform. It wasn't going to do that. I wanted that. The relay is the same mechanism for the tracker uses for pins. So yeah. So I don't need second server. I don't need nothing extra for Stream Up Pi. That Stream Up Pi is meant to open everything, but I don't use it. So that's what it's. So sync is, I suppose that's where everything syncs into. Did I just save it? I can't remember. ED COVAS save. Yes. So if I open that, will it go into it? Okay, let's open that. This is the big test. Okay, not in here. No. Let's just close things in case I start drawing in things. Oh, I don't need that either. Close the windows down. Okay, so if I open, it was oh, I don't know where I am now. Personas tracker patched. Okay. COVAS audio. Okay, let's open this with the browser. Right, so it's ready. It's waiting for the ship computer. You can't see it very well, but let me Control plus on this. So it's waiting for the ship computer. What do you mean ship computer? It's my co-pilot. Okay, this is going to work. I'm all excited. Okay. Hi.
This channel is for official communications only. No unauthorized messages.
Okay, so sync is not working. Well, hang on. How many jumps to Sol? Now, I'm not talking to it yet. I'm going to try that in a second because it's on the O switch.
Querying. 15 light years to Sol.
Right, so it's not doing that. So why doesn't it send it to that? That's the one that I want, you see. So let me just check. And what would it send to the I don't know. The Covas audio panel. Only when output is set to OBS or both. Oh, okay. I've got to set it to OBS. Or both. Right. Yes, of course. It's sending it to the main thing now at the moment. Urgent callouts. No. The exact sentence being vetted in one message since the models. Sent to the OBS panel. 70-minute coding stream. So it sends. At the moment, only the audio is sent. They're in the same mesh. It depicts as the public sensor line. Okay, well, let's put to OBS and both in there. Add both to the config then. Remember, I only started this, I don't know what, yesterday, after the stream. Output both. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try it. Not that. Config. I need to set these properly. I don't know how to do it. I don't want it. Output both. Device both. Okay, both. Okay, save it. Another crash coming up. I'll put that down just in case. Control C it just in case. And see what's going on here. It says ready.
Communication from traders. Cobra V is exit on capacity. Fuel for systems altitude.
Effing God, it worked. I don't believe it. That's amazing. Right, now, let's ask it some interesting questions. I'm going to put it back to device, which is why I didn't close it, because I just want to test it a bit. It was in Studio Code. So let's put it back to device again. Lots of... so this is what... I mean, it's going to only go to the OBS, which means it streams straight to... Well, it streams straight out, not going to the device, because I turned the speaker is a dead end after I've turned it off, so that I can monitor it without hearing it back like just there. So device, yes, we've done that. Save, we'll just keep that open. Yes, it was a tad echoish, Cliff. So name some presidents. Let's see if it's got some. Oh, it's still doing it. Hang on. Okay.
Galaxy at large. Look up system info. Alex system Laxac.
Look up system arguments. I don't know what that means. Name some US presidents. Oh, let's get. I'm in the wrong thing. Do you like dogs? Let's see if it looks into. Do you like dogs? Into the dog law.
Dogs are unauthorized aboard this vessel. Ship regulations are clear on this matter. Questions dismissed. Altitude and heading unchanged.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, it said that. I don't know what that was about. Is this... it might not be looking at... Correct. Hang on. It might be looking at... oh, God's sake. It might not be getting online to look at the... it's a look up system info arguments system Lexi. So it might not be looking at the Elite database management system thing, which is always online. I tried to get it to search Inara. Didn't like Inara. Inara pushes and it sucks in. The others push out, apparently. So, okay. Let's see. List. What's the thing? Nearest. Where is the nearest? Nearest. Let's think now. Let's think of something there. Oh, hang on. It's come up with something. What's it saying then? Prose still speaks. It works as an accidental filler line, but adjacent. So told not to mix prose and adjacent in one reply. The code guard is here for it. It didn't listen, which is on a 7B is regularly. Okay, I've got a brain to download. Where is the nearest engineer?
Engineering service is not active in vicinity. No engineers within 10 light years altitude and heading unchanged.
Ah, that's not right, is it? Because I'm on an engineer's planet at the moment. Don't think it's reading my server. What modules? Let's just test it. What modules does my ship have?
Uranium-01 equipped with gear shields, mass locked, analysis mode, altitude and heading unchanged.
Interesting. Hang on, let me just bring up the game quickly, just a second. Oh, connection error. That would do it. I had a move error. That would mess it up, wouldn't it? Ah, interesting. Oh, has it gone down for a tick or something? I mean, it's Wednesday, isn't it? So it should know where I was, to be honest. A connection has been lost. The has been suspended. Oh, I think that's probably because I messed with the VPN. That's because I turned off the VPN. Okay, let's start again. I can hear people outside, but I don't know if you can. Yeah, I may have. Probably didn't know where I was. Although it should have been. Is my journal server still working? Current system is LACSAC, so it should know. Maybe it didn't know my current position. Okay. I don't want to go live. Discord wants me to go live all the time. No. No, shan't do it. The way it does it on my new rig is like... okay. Continue. Solar play. Try, what's that? Try Nemotron 3.5 Lightning. I assume that's a model, is it? Well, is that new? What's so good about it? And tell me, what's so good about it, huh? Meanwhile, I'll download the new brain. Let me just, hang on, wait a minute. Make sure I've just stopped everything. There's the brain. There we go. Right, let's just bring that out. Hang on. Control C. Right, okay. So, right, I'm back again. Okay. So we're here. Let me just do that again. So it's connected. Let me just start the journal server again. ED, Control C, current system, LACSAC. Okay, so where are we parked? Oh, what am I doing? I've not even started it up, have I? Right, the next thing is to actually press the O key and see if it works. Right. Nearest engineer, spell right, engineer.
Checking the network. Sake Nutritional is closest, 200 ls away. Tudor's Heights and Doris Synthetics Enterprise are 3,661 ls and 5,297 ls away respectively.
Look up nearest station system LACSAC service engineer. Sake Nutritional is closest. I don't know what that means. Maybe it doesn't really know what an engineer is. Engineer. Am I spelling engineer right?
Engineer repairs and upgrades your ship. Their location can be queried.
Engineer is at Traders West. Traders West.
Engineers are currently at Traders Rest.
Really? I thought I was at... This is Traders West. Li Chung. Oh, hang on. Am I not at an engineer's? I thought... hang on, it's confused, isn't it? I thought one was at Traders West. That's LACSAC. No, okay. That's interesting. It's confused. Yes, it should. Yeah, that Elite has been part of it. Models. I mean, it's got some information. For instance, it's looking at my journals, and if I look at... Oh, come on! Now I've lost my thing. Now, if I look, if I look at my law here, we've got engineering. Blueprint, each engineer, okay, engineering grades. Yeah, it hasn't had the trade of it, but it should be looking at, it should be looking out. Right, hang on a second. I've got to save this first. Let's Control C. I've got one more thing to do. At least the specifics of Elite. Yeah, that's, yes, it hasn't got that. It's got, apparently it's got some ideas of what Elite is, but not a lot, if you know what I mean. Oh, that was wrong. Keep saving one to the full thing, LLM. I'm certainly not going to train it. Well, I suppose I could train it with Elite data, but yeah, yeah, I mean, I could do that. That might be a fun thing to do. How would you train it, though? That's something. That's interesting. I might want to do that. Let's clear it, and we'll try it again. Oh. Okay, let me just ask. How can I test its... what's the word for it? It's looking out at Elite data. Databases on the net. On the net. How old am I? 3 levels. Okay, yes, let's do a probe. Okay, let's get out of there for a second. Let's see now. Yeah, there's a probe tool, isn't there? Okay, so it's got... So the probe is bringing up stuff here. Nearest trader. Okay, 8 and 8. A single lookup. Real test. You see, look up. Yeah, it did not. How can I? But how can I know it's searched the net? Fine tuning local models, but yeah, I mean, I could do that. Cleanest proof. Ask the same question and watch it file. Okay, let's try this then. Desert traffic. With Wi-Fi you get numbers. Turn Wi-Fi off, run it again, and you get lookup failed. Cool. Okay, well it's found it then. Second proof. Ask about somewhere you've never been. Okay, I've been to Shinwater. Give me a place I've never been. Somebody. Who we got on there? Anywhere. Trees Hold. Give me a place I've never been to. Somewhere in Colonia. Give us a place I've never been to. How would I know where to go? I mean, I could look at. Oh, I'll just look at the galaxy. Let's have a quick look. Let's go to galaxy map, and we'll just have a. Let's zoom out, and we'll go and find somewhere I've never been to, like here. Let's copy that. How do I copy it? Pro. Oh. Pro. Oh. How do I copy it? Okay, I want the named a bit better than that. Okay, let's find somewhere a bit easier to type. Oh yeah, of course I'm miles away from anywhere, aren't I? Okay, oh god, I just want an easier name. Maybe I need to get, well, let's go over here. Oh, I've still got this locked on, haven't I? Have I got still this set in correct map mode? Okay. What's going on? Oh, that's I am. Right, let's find a star I've not been to. How about Sandafar? Not been there, I don't think. Sandafar and Drahlian. Saxon. Okay, let's try a couple of these. Just trying to make sure that it's actually looked up things. Okay. And it's called Saxo. Was it Saxo or Saxon? I can't remember now. What was it called? Saxo? Saxon? Saxon. Oh, let's put it there. Saxon. 11 stations in Saxon. It is looking out. Tier then. Let's look at tier then. Okay. Tier then. Let's try it. TIR then. Okay. No permanent stations in tier then. Okay. Why is Space FedEx so slow? Pegasi. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Pegasi. Can I copy from here? Oh, no. I can copy here, can't I? Copy. How do you copy? Why can't I copy from... Copy. Okay, let's try it. Let's try what you said. Pegasi. Pegasi. Sector. Let's spell it right. Don't want to nuclear attacked. DL -Y D61. 61. Oh, there we go. Look, it's giving me it. So it can tell me there's an orbital construction site, Odyssey settlement, Coriola genetic site. That's an Odyssey settlement. +1 fleet carrier. Is that your fleet carrier? Is that your fleet carrier? Is it fleet carrier? Just tier. Okay, let's just try tier then. Oh yeah. Okay, tier. TIR. Okay, 42 stations and tier. Nadia's, that's an Odyssey settlement, 60 light years. Getsat complex. So it is looking good. Okay, good. Right, cool. So it can do that then. Right, okay. So cool, that's good. That's good then. Yes, that's working because I've never been there. Right, let's try the voice thing. Right, let's see if I can... Where are we parked? Okay. Where are we? Right, okay. Oh, it's text. Hang on. 21 ed canvas.py with voice. Next test is a voice. Right, okay, here we go. No text, no voice. Okay. What's happening? You're sending please enable higher rate limits and faster downloads. What? Oh, blimey, what's this? Loading small n on. Try it again. Hello, can anyone hear me? Now that looks like a break. That looks like a bug to me. Control C. Control C. Oh, blimey. Well, I didn't like that. That hub site packages, Hugging Face hub. Oh, you're sending unauthorized requests. Am I? Oh. Oh, blimey. What's all this? Keyboard interrupt. Okay, this looks like an issue with an API. Right, what's it think of that then? Because, okay, so there's the programs. Nothing broke. Keyboard interrupt. Meaning you press Control C. Downloading the Whisper model. 2 warnings were given. Rate limits, and it just means a bit more disk on Windows once you've seen PTT. Okay, oh, I need to do that again then. Okay. So it's doing stuff. It's I don't know what it's doing.
Chip computer online.
Oh. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? That's input, isn't it? I haven't got that set up to input, have I? Okay. Ooh, right. Okay. Where's the settings? I haven't got that. So better I haven't got it as input, have I? Input. Yeti. Okay. Testing. Okay, that's fine. Right. Hello, how are you? Oh.
I'm operational and ready for duty. Commander Bonaparte, what is your next order?
How many jumps to Jameson Memorial?
Checking the network. Unknown. No recent data available.
What? No, okay. How many jumps to Shinrata Desra? Whatever that means. I spelt that one.
Distance 20 jumps.
Right, so it can't jump to Jameson Memorial. That would be silly. Tell me what modules I've got on my ship.
Modules, gear, shields, mass locked, analysis mode.
What? Gear, shields, mass locked. What modules does my ship have?
Modules, gear, shields, mass locked, analysis mode.
Maybe that's not what you call it. What are my ship stats?
Ship, Cobra Mark 5, uranium 01201, fuel 16.0 of 16 tons, 100%, cargo 6 tons, systems, gear, shields, mass locked, analysis mode, altitude 0M, heading 102.
102 would be nicer. Okay. Name my ship outfit. I don't know. That's wrong.
Cobra V, Uranium 01 Modules gear.
Ask it about my ship modules. It's sort of working. Let me just check it's still working. No, it's still working. Right, mate, might not know what that is. Okay, let's try this then. What is engineered on my ship?
No engineered modules on board.
What? Oh, I know what that might be. I know what that might be. I need to look at my modules, otherwise it doesn't know what they are, apparently. Now that data's been sent to the journal. Right, we'll try that now. Tell me about my modules.
Modules, gear, shields, mouse locked, analysis mode.
Make it a lookup. A modules tool that reads modules JSON, costs nothing. Worth knowing about the tracker does have this. Modules JSON is already read by the ED journal server and tries to engineer it. So data does exist to it. It to the modules. Yeah, the COVAS doesn't know about my modules. It should be. So it should be able to find that on the ED journal server because it's there. It says modules info should be read by the journal server. So maybe it's just not. Anyhow, it works. Now the next thing is put it into OBS. So let's get a new browser window up. So I want a browser. We'll just do it quickly to begin with. That'll do. And I need a local file. And I'm just going to go straight to the LLM because it's in there. It would be a good idea to just keep that in. I've forgotten what it was now. Tracker patched. Okay, so there's the ED COVAS audio HTML. We'll open it. Okay. Control audio via OBS. Okay, so it's here. Oh, it's just down there. You can just about see it. Let me edit that a second. Oh, that's too wide. 200. Oh, I don't know what. 300, 400, 300, 300 by 200. Okay. Control audio in OBS. Right, we've got a little panel down there. There it is. Can you see it? Just hidden there. We'll put it up over here. And we'll see if that actually works. Something's moved. What's that? Okay, that's off screen a little bit. I've made it really big so we can see what's going on. So that should get less dense. Okay, so that's called browser. We're going to change that to rename. I'll bring it over so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, this looks a bit weird. So there's the browser. I'm going to rename that. Rename that to robot co-pilot. Okay, co-pilot. Yeah. Okay, so that's there. There's robot co-pilot. Robot voice is here. Robot. So I don't need robot voice anymore. That was the last one. I haven't got that activated. What do you mean you can't see it? Can't see. Oh, can you see now? Oh, it's not coming up. That's right. Never mind. You can't see it. It's just not popping up. It does. Obviously, it's a thing. Okay. So robot co-pilot is there. Yeah, you can't see it. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Robot co-pilot is now taking text through there. So it's now taking text through there. So let's change that now. I've got to change that to OBS now. Let me Control C. Yeah, I know. Don't worry. Oh, it's behind Elite, is it? Eh? Don't worry, it wasn't there. You couldn't have seen it. So I need to go back to... let's change it to OBS now. So I've got... Where's the... There it is. Open with Visual Studio. So device... I'm going to change it to OBS now. OBS. Okay, so now it should be sending it out through the little panel that you can see just here, just there. Okay. In fact, let me move it over a bit more. There we go. That'll do it. Okay, so let me start the server up again. I thought I'd already done that. Okay. Oh. Control C. Okay, I'm gonna have to close that. It's gone wrong. New terminal. Okay, so that's where we Python easy Covas. Okay, touting, press O. Oh, it did it, and it came through my headphones. So how you doing? How many jumps to Sol? Sol? You right? I think that's not right. That's not 3 jumps to Sol. You can't hear it. Oh. Sorry, I turned it off. How far away is Sol? The half away is Sol.
Commodity price commodity. How far rate system. Laxac.
Hang on, it's still giving me fix arguments. Oh, hang on, let me just control C that. It won't let me control C. It's amazing. Oh, it's probably because it's doing right. Yeah, because it's waiting for a key. Okay, right. I've got a few things to download first. ED loadout. So this is going to allow me to sort out. I've got to download a few things. Save. Okay, that's loadout. So now it knows about loadouts. It can look at loadouts now. ED tools. I've got to download that. Oh dear. Doodle. Oh dear. Why doesn't it stay in the folder I just been to? Yep, that's done. Needs a new brain, like the scarecrow. I could do with a new brain. Oh no. No, download as Pi. Just a second, everyone. Save. We'll get going in a sec. Yep. ED brain, ED Covas needs a new Covas as well. Oh, I keep pressing add to project. That's so annoying. LLM, Covas W, save. Okay, and one more. It's the whole zip. And great. Okay, so now it should be able to know. Now it should not do a load of arguments in a sec. Yeah, I'm probably, yeah. So what have we got going? We've got the chat system going, PowerShell. Oh, what have we got? We've got that one. We've got this one. That is PowerShell. No, just bring up all my terminals for a sec. Hang on, how many terminals have I got going? Okay, we've got... That's a chat thing. Yep, this is the chat, and it runs every 10 seconds. Oh, that's interesting. That got broken. Okay, the chat was working. I must have pressed... Right, chat's back, is it? Is chat back? Oh no, you won't see chat anyhow, because I've got it behind. not to worry. So this is the journal server, okay, and current system lookup 50 years of Laxac. Well, so it is doing lookups here. Right, okay, let's clear this and we'll try again. Oh no, I don't want. No. Right, okay, let's try it now.
Chip computer online.
How are you today?
I'm operational and ready for duties. How is the mission progressing?
It's progressing fine, but I need to get to Seoul. How many jumps is it? Seoul.
Checking the network. 10 jumps to Seoul from Trader's Rest.
And that came up. That did come up, didn't it? With the it dropped down, but it did come up in there. List the stars I'm going to Seoul.
Querying. SARS to Seat at to Seat A Creos Seoul.
I meant how many stars do I need to jump to get to Seoul? Seoul.
9 star systems to jump from Trader's Rest to Seoul.
Yeah. Can you hear it all right? Can you hear the robot thing? I don't know. What modules have my ship got? This is a test.
Modules FSD, shields, mass locked, analysis mode.
Yes, it should say. Yeah, it should say. What did it actually ask for then? Fix arguments. It matches Lucy's fast here. Loadout. Chelsea's loadout event, not modules info. Source is loadout event, not. Oh. Okay. What's my loadout?
Standby. Loadout, Cobra Mark V with 7 engineered modules.
Tell me all the modules in my loadout.
Checking the network. Modules, gear, shields, mass locked, analysis mode, FSD fuel scoop, fighter bay.
Yeah, it's not telling my... Okay. Okay, it should know these though, because that's in the journal server. I did restart it? Yeah, it should be alright. Because that's important, I think. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, I'm going to open a... right, okay, so it should say stuff there. So let's have a look though. Copy. So this is all the loadout in my ship. Okay. Right. So reads config for the journal folder. There's if it says no, the journal folder. Quick check box there. Okay. Okay. Right. Fast charge. Yeah. Super conduits. Oh, what happened to there then? Loadout games, frontier developments. What? What? What does that do then? I don't know what that did. Quick check. With the all command. Oh. All. Dash all. Okay, can I open all? What? Oh. Okay, that was weird. No, it's not doing it. Read the journal and print every footage. No. Okay, that's weird. Control C. Copy. Okay, let's clear the screen again. Oh, it does do it. Okay. But the AI won't tell me them all. Right, shouldn't I be able to pick that up then? So what am I doing that's not doing it? Interesting. Thinking about why an AI is withholding complete information. Well, I'm not the creator, am I? Why am I withholding information about the creator? So it's, yeah, it's adding a module listing tool now. So everything. So if you need something like I just build new tools for it. It goes anyhow. We'll leave that up here. Oh no, to get the robot co-pilot. We'll take off display capture. Pop. Okay, and we've got robot co-pilot. We'll put that in the overlays. Oh no, we'll leave it up the top there. Yes, well done, Cliff. Cliff wins a prize. What prize do you want, Cliff? Cake, I suppose. Yeah, I'm going to make that stay up a bit more, the thing. But let's just get... Okay, I've got some more things to download. So I'm going to close that. And download as Pi. Okay, we're nearly ready. Let's save. Yes, so we're placing the loadout. We've got the new loadout tool. We're taking this one, the ED tools. It's really a journey to get to it. I've got a shortcut, but it's not liking it. Yes, okay, because I didn't put the call. A new brain. Needs a new brain. Okay. Actually, let me just bring in. I'm going to bring in a proper shortcut for that. There we go. Right, thank you. Okay, we got a new one of them. And the last one. Okay, cool. Okay, so. Right, now. Let me just get rid of that. We've got rid of this. We're going to start up the tool again. And we're going to see if it works on the way. Okay. Okay. Okay, right. It's working. I've got it put on the O key, so I don't know what it's going to do.
Chip computer online.
Good. Right. So anyway, we're going to... Actually, where we're going is Shinwata, believe it or not. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. That should be easy to find. That's where we're going. Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah, I'm there. Okay. That's where we're going. How many systems? How many? Oh, she wasn't... she was about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. Yeah, 1, 2... Yeah, okay. Right, we're off to Shinwata. I'm allowed in Shinwata, even though I'm not elite, because I'm a Kickstarter. So let's go. Everything done. Right. We're on our way to Shinwata. How many jumps? Let's see.
6 jumps remaining. Next stop, Enzamite. Then final Shinwata.
Hooray! Oh, you just left it. I'm on my way there now. I will be if I get focus. Had to grab advanced Xeno scanner. Oh, I don't know what all that's about. That sounds advanced stuff. Okay, let's go. We're off to Gibraltar. So I've got a new module list. I'm going to move some modules around, change some bits and bobs, and probably swap a module, store a module, and spend loads of my DOS.
Undocked.
Oh, she said that as well. How many credits have I?
3,166,190,474 credits.
Oh yes, I do have Elite. Yeah, but I've been in Gibraltar all the time because I'm Kickstarter. I was a Kickstarter, although you wouldn't believe it. Do you want some cake? Let's see what she wants.
No data available on dietary preferences.
I've got to have some Richie things to say to her. That's really funny. I think what's probably... Can I do it from here? Oh, yes, I can. What's probably going to be funny is when I give her more lore to talk about, like chihuahuas. What do you know about dogs?
No dogs aboard. Ship regulations do not permit them. They are Earth origin domesticated canids, unsuitable for zero-gravity environments.
Oh dear. Have you seen the film Aliens?
No data available on films or cultural references.
Oh, okay. So she's specifically... So I need... What I might have a go at is doing some training. It might be fun to try and do some training on this. I don't know. I don't know how to train or why to train or what to train. But it might be interesting to do that. But we're having a fun time, aren't we? I haven't given her a name.
Mission status active. No downtime scheduled.
I think that we've got personas in here. I don't know what persona she's got. They've got some different personas. Some of them are happy, some of them are nerdy, some of them are chatty, and some of them are a bit shifty. But I want a flirty one. That's what I want. I want to, yeah. So yeah, well, I'm gonna see what we can do about training it. It does sound... Training data sounds like something that's a little bit beyond my ken, as it were. Could you make a cup of tea for Cliff? Let's see what she says.
This vessel is not equipped to prepare beverages.
Oh, this is really funny. Oh, I'm glad I did this. It was worth it. I just need to get that. I'm not going to bother putting it onto my joystick. It'll probably break. Where's the nearest place to buy tea? Let's see what she says.
Stand by. Nearest material traders are Planetary Construction Site, Selai's Inheritance, Bunniesboro, and Planetary Construction Site, Fulton City, all located in Scorpii Sector ZUYB6, 0.0 light years away.
So I can buy tea. Can you buy tea as a commodity? She might be a bit confused about what tea is, to be honest. What's my fuel like here? I can't remember. Yeah, it would be fine. We've got enough fuel for that. Yep. Let's just check. Keep away from that sun. Let's self-use it. What's the next system I'm jumping to?
Next jump destination is LTIT 6774. Final stop before Shinrata Deja.
Yeah, that's not right. What's the next system?
Current route. Next system is Enzamite.
No, it's not. Is it? No, she's wrong. So obviously I need a jumping thing for that. What I wanted to do is to start speaking, you know, about the different things like under attack, entering stuff, undocked. So I think that's in here. So I might get her to start talking for the things that were in my initial speech tool with the robot voice. I want that robot voice back in. I want that back in. I just need to get the parameters for that. Let's see what's going on. Maybe she is correct about the jumps. Maybe I'm wrong. Hang on, I'm going to Shinrata. Hang on, wait a minute. Have I put the wrong one? Maybe she's right. Maybe I'm not going there. Am I going to... So, Nui Puri. That's Ganoi. Then Shinrata. Let's see if she knows... Yeah, she's a bit confused about that. What system am I jumping to next?
Next jump destination is LTT 6774.
And where's it getting that from? Where's she getting that from? What system am I jumping to next?
Next jump destination is Enzamite.
Enzamite? I don't see anything Enzamite. I don't know where she's getting that from. I don't know where she's getting that from, to be honest. Anyhow. I mean, what she's got to be saying, jumping, landed, and all the funny things. That I'm sure that can be built in based on the triggers, but she's definitely getting the jumps wrong. LT66 Ninzamite. I'm going to find out. When we get to Shinrata, I'm going to find out where Ninzamite is. And we'll find out what's going on here. Okay, now the Foxhole Gang. Okay, let's just get out of here. And also that panel has got to stay up for a little bit longer. Actually, is it pasted? Just a second. It pasted it to the clipboard. It has. It pasted Planetary Construction Site, Sailor's Inheritance. Yeah, well, let's. I'm going to have a quick look. Well, it says it's on my route, but I don't think it is. Why is Shinrata Enzamite? Have I? Are you sure? Oh, I'm in Gori. Where am I at the moment? Enzamite. No, it wasn't. Bimba. Oh, I can't even get in on this star. Have I got this? I've got this. What have I got this set at? Have I got a filter on here? Oh, it's weird. It was the first stop on my route. Was it? I'm just checking I've got... It was the first one on my route. Down here. Why can't I see it? I cannot see this star. Why can't I see it? Have I got a filter on somewhere? I've got a filter on somewhere. Right, that's good. No, I don't know what that means. No. It's all done. Put everything on. User data. You messaged me, Cliff. What do you mean you messaged me? What have you messaged me? You haven't messaged me. I don't know what you're talking about. Services. I don't seem to... I mean, I don't know why. Services. Oh, that's good. I didn't know I could do that. But I'm on realistic map mode. Why can't I see a star here? Am I just not high enough or something? Oh, now it comes in. Scorpii Sexta. Oh! Yes, it's not updating. That's interesting. You're right. You're absolutely right. It was on my route. So she's just a bit... I don't know. Okay, that's interesting. She doesn't know where I am. Let's ask. What system am I in at the moment?
Current system is Noe. Laxac A1.
She doesn't know what system I'm in. Is my shed... Has it stopped then? Ship locker. Hang on, Control C. Yeah, I'm going to stick it all in, once it's all done, good luck with it, I'm going to stick it into... Let's update the journal server then. Why is the journal server? Okay, let's see what she's done now. What system am I in?
Current system is Noe. Laxac A1.
No, it's not. Right, this is a big bug. AI thinks I'm still in Laxac when I'm actually in Shinwata. Okay, now I wonder why that's doing that. Anyway, well, I want Jameson, please. Oh, why is everything unexplored? Well, that's not right. It's not like I haven't... Oh, I know why. It's because I changed machines, didn't I? Okay, contacts. What's going on? I am in... Oh, no, that's the next one. Silly me. Sorry. Dirt.
Frameshift drive charging.
So, yeah, she's definitely under attack. Combat, now it's gone. What are you talking about? Under attack combat, now it's gone. I don't know what you mean, Cliff. It didn't say under attack. Oh, she's got to say under attack and all the other messages, but that's probably easier to do than I think. I think actually the speech to text is a little bit slower than I want. But it'll do for the moment. Until I work out some other bits. Oh, okay. Let's get to Jameson first before we do that. Jameson. Find Jameson. There we go. The Elite Federation of Pilots. Okay, right, off we go. Let's get home. I'm not going to use my fuel because I haven't got much. So, yeah, we've got a problem, a bug actually. It says, Elite starts a new journal file every time the game restarts. My tailor, what that means, on spotting new file, seek straight to the end of it, skipping over commander login location events that Elite writes on the top. So it kept reporting the system from when the previous file closed. So you don't want it announcing an hour-old events. So it tried it. There's a second cause of the system. The conversations history. If I told you you're in Laxac 3 turns ago, a 7B would cheerfully repeat it. The persona now says the state block overrides its own earlier replies. Oh, okay. I don't know what that means, but it looks like it was just a bug. But, you know, it's vibe coding, isn't it? Vibe coding. I suppose. I don't know. get in here. You should be in. That should show you. Python ed state pi once. We'll do that in a sec. So it runs all these modules are loaded like ed state. It sends a state to the updates the state in the aided AI. The AI thing. Who's that? Come here, get him. So for those who are interested, I will tell you about the few differences I'm going to make to the ship after listening to everybody. And they're sitting there with Coriolis this morning going, oh, I don't know, oh, what's that? And then talking to stuff. We're nearly home. That's what she says.
Final stop before arriving at Shinrata Dejra.
Hang on. What? I don't know what she meant now. Who can tell? So it works. Everything was working. There's a few little bugs, like the state doesn't know the actual state, and so how close can we get before we overlap? Ooh, it's always a fun game. There we go. That should get me quite near. I don't know. It's Shinrata. Wow, that was a really late boost sound. How weird was that?
Delacey, Victor, Oscar, November.
Yeah, fuel reserves. I know. I've got fuel reserves. Take me in.
Directly for Bay 2-1. For automated dock.
Right, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, so I've got a few things to sort out with that, like it's making sure that she knows the states and stuff, and also reacts to some of the live inputs like the other one did, and tell some jokes when I'm landing, like remember where you parked the ship, remember what happened last time, the rebuy cost, things like that. Don't get a parking ticket, you know, a few things like that. And so I can swap personas as well to make her much more chatty. And I'm hoping to get a flirty one as well. I think I'll keep this. Can it request docking? Yeah, but that means macros and moving keys around, and some Covas can do that. But I'm not going to get into that because what's the point of flying? I mean, things like fire heatsink, you can't really send. I mean, that could be a switch. You could fire a switches. But request docking means going into here. So that's focus, left, contacts, probably the first one. Click on that, go across, click docking, come out the focus. Yeah, so you can put macros in to do it, but I don't. You know, there's things you can fire like. That are easy single key things, but once you get past certain points, the joystick and stuff, you know, the keys and joysticks and buttons is fine, but once you start getting into multiple UI things like this, then that's macros, and there are some things that do that. I can't remember what they are, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can do that. Please. Oh, is my chat working? Right, first of all, just let me get up the... Right, I'm just going to stop the server. Pit management. I suppose it could. I mean, if it's like, press up. Oh, let's get the focus back. I suppose you could go, if you go like, if you said... Oh, it's not going to let me do. What? Let me do pitch management. It's not going to let me do it now. Locked. But I suppose if you pressed up to reset it and then do it left and right, yeah, I'm sure it could. Yeah, of course it can. It's just macros, left, up, down, right. It's just playing the interface, playing the buttons. And if you get macros in there and you can do it, because I've seen it done. I've seen it done. Right, I'm going to turn off that. Let me just bring up. A terminal again. I need a new terminal. I need a new terminal. Where's my terminal? You can do it. You can do it. I've seen people do it. Cake management. Yes, Cliff. Cake management. Absolutely. So I'm just going to see. Let me just bring up the display capture again. Right. So apparently, ED state. I've got to download some things first to update the ED Covas. That's that there. No, it's the LLM that I want. Oh, that was that, yeah. So, okay, so I'm updating. So that's the state. So this one updates the state of the game. Now the brain, download the brain. Download the brain. Oh. Hello. I'll try that again. It's not letting me do it. How weird. I'll try it. Okay, is it updating now? Is things broken? Oh, cancel. Download as Pi. ED Covas. Save. Replace. Okay, so now she should know where I am. I think. Right, I'm going to need to Control C that. And start. Oh, what did I start? What did I stop then? I stopped a server. Oh, it's a chat. No, it's a journal server. Well, we don't want to stop that, do we? So let me go to there. Okay, right. So that's done. Right. Turn off display capture. And now you can see everything's gone funny, so I need to refresh these. And the chat ticker, we give that a refresh. The mode strip, refresh, everything comes back. Did you just send me a message, Cliff? What are you taking pictures of? Yeah, I know what's going on, Cliff. I saw that. Don't worry, I restarted the journal server. I can see what's on screen. So let's start that again. What, you like your Caspians? You like those Caspians? Okay, so right, we're up. Loading small EN.
Computer online.
Oh, okay, so she's online again. Oh, I've got two terminals open for some reason. Okay. Oh no, I was gonna. Anyway. Oh no, that's the wrong one. What station are we at?
Jameson Memorial.
Right, so she knows where we are now. That's good. I assume. Now there's one more thing I want to test. ED Covas. Terminal. And that was to just test the state. Okay. Just want to test the actual state, ED state. Ship state, Mars, ship Cobra, location, James Docks. So it's getting the correct stuff now. Last 120 seconds, I arrived at jump into no. So it's giving me the last log. Docked at Jameson Memorial. Docking computer engaged. Dropping at Memorial. So it's all the states are working. Yeah. Okay, that's working. Okay, so let's go down. And I want to look at the modules now. So, right, I've got a lovely list here of things that I've covered in pencils and biros and things, and high-tech point 0.7 V7 pens, which are the best pens ever. And so let's have a quick look. So, outfitting. Now, this is right. So, hard points. 2F, 1G, 1G. These are going to be 2 rapid fires. These are going to be scramble and thermal shock or something like that. My voice is going. Utility mounts. I've got these shield boosters, which I'm going to get rid of. Okay. I've still got my kill warrant and the frame ship, but I'm going to change them to some chaff launchers at some point, or one chaff launcher at least, or a heat sink and a chaff launcher. That would be good. Okay, for the core internal, I've got class 1 core internals, bulkheads, reinforced alloy. Yep, they've done that. I've got a power plant, which is a 4A Jarmored G5. Power plant, it just says that. Oh, there's mods. G5, okay, good, that's good. Oh, no, don't do that. Thrusters, 4A, that's fine. That's going to be reinforced G5 with drag drives or something like that. I don't know what that means. Frameshift drive is fine, that's a 4A. Life support 3D. Power distributor 4A. And that's super conduits, isn't it? Whatever that was. Then we've got sensors, long range. Now they're going to change from, they're going to be long range sensors, because the power super conduits. No, hang on, sensors. No, stop it. Oh, will you stop it? Right, okay. Yeah, that's going to be long range scanner, because the wide one takes too much power, and that's what I'm going to have. Fuel tank, that's fine. Okay, optional internal. Now, this is the big one. Optional internal. Here we go. We've got this bi-reeve here. I'm going to stick that in. I'm going to get a 4C bi-reeve here. I know it's only got one. What's the modifications on it? It's only got one. That's fine. I'm going to put a 4. No, wait. Yeah, I'm going to put a 4C bi-reeve here with fast charge and reinforced and all that stuff. And that, so that's 3C is going to save that. We can use that again somewhere. So I'm going to put a 5E heavy duty layered plating up here. That'll do it. I want my planetary hangar. That's in, oh hang on, I've got a 2 here. So in that 4 one, how many we've got? 5, 4, 4. I've got 5, 4, 3 here. Planetary hangar, hull reinforcement package is 3. Okay, planetary hangar. Why does it say 4? It's got 3 here, doesn't matter. That's interesting. That doesn't represent Coriolis then. Never mind. Okay. So I think I'm going to get a 4. If I can get a 4. A 4C. Now, can you get a 4C? That's the thing. The shield generators, can you get a 4C? You can get a 4C. That's stored here. Okay. Yeah. Weapons focused 6 azimuth shard cannons. That's a lot. 4C stored here. Okay. That's what I'm going to. You off. Have fun. I'll put this. I'll put the destructions and the updated stuff. I'll zip it up and stick it on my Discord server. You know. Yeah. So yeah, 5A is probably what I want. That's what it says here anyhow. I'm going to go through. I'm going to. This is. I actually took this from Coriolis, so something's different here. Interesting. Okay. So what I'm going to do. Yeah. Oh, I missed it now. Yeah. So let's go to. Let's go back. Back. Yeah. So I'm going to swap these two. I'm going to have a grade 5 hull reinforcement, and I'll friend you on Discord. And you can just go in and get it. What's the time? Oh, fine. Planetary vehicle hangar. I've got class 4 here. That's very weird. Class 3s. Optional internals. This is different. Maybe I'm looking at... Did I check the right one? I don't know. We'll have a look. So the rest of it is the same. Cargo racks, fuel scoops. But I'm going to have another 2 hull reinforcement packages. A 3E and a 5E. And a bi-reeve shield there. Fast charge. Cargo racks. La 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 la. And super cruise assist, and then the back to weapons. And for the core internals, so we got core internals, reinforced alloy, yeah. Power plant is a 4A, yeah. Thrusters 4A, frame shift drive 4A, done all that. Life support is fine. Power distributor 4A, that's fine. Sensors, that's fine. I can make that long range. The fuel tank. So the main thing is swapping these 2 around, because that will get me, because I've already got a 3C in here, when I can put that there and put more armor in there, which makes my power draw go down. So, but this, I'm going to hold off on this because it doesn't look the same. My printout does not look the same as the JSON file that came from Coriolis. Interesting. What modules have I got? Let's see what she says now.
Querying. 4A power plant grade 5 armored with double braced 4A thrusters 3D life support 4A power distributor grade 5 high frequency with super conduits 3A sensors grade 3.
I shouldn't
long
have
range
asked.
4C fuel tank bulkheads grade 1 advanced 4A SEO frame shift drive grade 5 shielded with double braced 3C shield generator grade 5 reinforced with fast charge 4D hull reinforcement grade 1 permic 2D planetary vehicle hangar 4E module reinforcement 3C collector limpet controller 3E cargo rack 3A fuel scoop docking computer supercruise assist planet operate suit advanced voice back Victor Cobra V cockpit mod.
Cockpit mod? Alright. I don't know what that was. It's alright, Sug. What are my engineered modules? Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
Engineering on 4C fuel tank is complete with grade 5 efficiency. No other modules are currently being engineered.
Really? That's not right. List the engineered modules again.
4C fuel tank grade 5 efficiency.
My shield generator is engineered.
3C shield generator grade 5 reinforced with fast charge and nanoweave integration.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's see if she knows about what's going on in my core internal. Tell me about my frame shift drive.
4A SEO frame shift drive grade 5 shielded with double braced.
List all my engineered modules.
3C shield generator grade 5 reinforced with fast charge and nanoweave integration 4C fuel tank grade 5 efficiency.
That doesn't sound right. What has she actually said here? 3C shield generator. Grade 5 reinforced with fast charge and nanoweave integration. 3C grade 5 efficiency. It's not listing all of them. To list all engineered modules and not doing it. I can't think of anything now. Anyhow, where's my core internals? Right, there we are. Right, okay, so I forget where it was, man. Power plant, it was optional internal. Okay, so this I'm going to replace the module with a bigger. Actually, do you know what? Have I got any stored here? Have I got any? I've got one stored here. That's a 4C. But I can get a 5. I mean, that's not 4C. Module type limit 5A. 6E. I'm going to have to go back to Coriolis. I think I got that wrong in Coriolis. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back and look at this. But the rest of it, so the idea is that I'm just switching those two round and getting rid of those shield banks, those, what were they called? The shield banks, and putting in some chaff. And that saves a shitload of power, which means everything's nice and neat and tidy for a little pew-pew. Okay, two problems they've made. Too much choice, badly labelled. They gave 7B model of 4 loadout tools with overlapping descriptions. Okay, well let's try, let's sort them out then. Let's see if she do it. Okay, I'm just gonna, can I just stop it here? Okay, we'll just stop it, right. So I've got ED2s, okay, I need that down again. Nearly done, Stilt. Mine's Stilty Stilt. Oh, no. Cancel. Yes. Okay, that's that done. And ED Brain. Get the brain down. ED Covas. Save. Yes. So let's see if she does it now. So let's do it now then. I've lost that. So it's alright, still. It's alright, Stilty. You're a good boy. Right. Okay. It's building all these little tools that give it the data. Right. So let's bring that up then. Right. Let's see if she says it now. Yeah. Okay.
Chip computer online.
Okay. List all the modules.
Querying. 4A power plant grade 5 armored with double braced. 4A thrusters, 3D life support. 4A power distributor grade 5 high frequency with superconduits. 3A sensors. Grade 3 long range. 4C fuel tank. Bulkheads grade 1 advanced. Optionals.
5,000 milliseconds to the first service.
Combat Master.
Sentence.
Tical Combat Master. 4A SEO frame shift drive grade 5 shielded with double braced. 3C shield generator grade 5 reinforced. With fast charge. 4D hull reinforcement grade 1 thermic. 2D planetary vehicle hangar. 4E module reinforcement. 3C collector limpet controller. 3E cargo.
I think she did the right thing. Okay. What engineered modules have I? That'd be interesting.
Querying. 4A power plant grade 5 armored with double braced. 4A power distributor grade 5 high frequency with superconduits. 4C fuel tank. Bulkheads grade 1 advanced. 4A SEO frame. Shift drive grade 5 shielded with double braced. 3C shield generator grade 5 reinforced with fast charge.
What's my total milliwatt output? I don't know.
Total milliwatt output is 960,000 MW.
Back. What? Are you sure? That's not right. 96. Power plant. Power plant? Milliwatts. 960,000 milliwatts. Might be 96. That's not right. Hmm. I'm not worried about that too much, but let's just see what power output is wrong. Way too much. Yeah, that's, unless that was draw. No, that's different. No, that's not right. No. So, yeah, okay. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some shifting around here. I'm going to get Coriolis, and I'm going to have to write down what I did, because I took the JSON file, but I don't think something wrong with what I've got here and what I've got. I don't think I did. Ooh, I don't remember now. Well, I was very tired. Okay, yeah. So I've got 4 stored ships here. What we got? Oh, I've got my ships here. That's 40 minutes away. How much? Oh, sod that for a lark. Chemitria. Oh, that was for... Look at all the patterns on that. 2 million. Well, I can make that back, but I think I might just leave it there if I'm not using it. What else we got? Polonium Fiend. Von Doodle. Voodoo. Hated the crate. Vulture was good. And the current, but I want black for these. By the way, what's my only 400? It's not many. So I'm allied. Oh, pre-built ships. Oh god, why do they make them so ugly though? Look, that's horrible paint jobs. I mean, just black. I don't know. Maybe it's a taste thing. I've got black. I always wear black t-shirts, so I wonder if they do a Cobra. Cobra Zappy ship. Is that all? Yeah, 33,000. Aspect jump starts. I like these jump start ideas. They're good for starters. Python standard. Oh, that's not many, is it then? Okay. Yeah. I'm going to sell a few bits. What we got here? Anything I can sell? Yeah, let's sell it. Sell page. And right, let's keep going. That's good. Have I got any combat bonds? Nothing. Have I got any? I thought I had some. I've had some fines or something, but clearly not. Colonization, that's the next little thing. Okay, well that's working. The AI invented a power number when you asked it. That would be hallucinating. Hallucinated it. Which is it? If they ascertained a figure. Oh, let me tell. I'll tell you what it did. It hallucinated. Of course it did. I mean, the actual... I think it's taken a little bit longer to chat back, but it's fine. Identified fabricated data. What did it think of with this? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to just pop to... I'm going to disembark. I'll have a look at the weapons, and then I'm going to go downstairs and get on Coriolis, bring up my ship, and see what the hell was going. What I was thinking. Not that I need to know my power draw, but you know, if I see something it doesn't know, I'm going to think about the things that it needs to know, like mainly firing chaff or something like that. You know, maybe firing chaff. All right.
If you want to help the good guys,
That doesn't do you any justice, mate. Looks like you've got some posh motorbike. I'm sure, you know, I'm sure the flight suits are designed by someone who loves motorbikes. I'm convinced of it. Hello, I bet you've got nothing, have you?
If I don't have it, it's not worth having.
Okay. Gosh. Okay. Well, I don't know if you'll find. Come on. No, that's the wrong one.
Sure, take a
Doubt
look
whether
around.
we've got all grades on it. Yeah, they're all, of course they are. Shinrata, they'll all be gone. They'll all be gone. Yeah. I doubt whether you'd get anything there. Yeah, see you later. Yeah.
I visited Capital a while back.
Yeah. Oh, what are they talking about?
Sure.
Oh, they're not talking about anything. Okay. Interesting. Inventing. If I find it inventing stuff, I need to
Attraction of this place.
I need to tell it.
It's the nicest port I've seen in a fair while. Certainly on this side of the galaxy.
I know what you mean.
Oh, I love the music. That's very good. That's very funky. Of course, that's the sort of music. Funky music. Are you going to say anything else? Hang on, just downloading stuff. Yes, right, I'm going to send this. Let me send this to Will. So let me download the zip. Download zip. And I'll put it in EduCovas. Okay. EduCovas. Save it there and I'll send a link to Will. Okay, let's see if she does it now. Okay. That's pretty cool. I could live with that music, you know. Right, let's see if she knows what the milliwatts are now.
Ship computer online.
Okay, how many milliwatts does my ship give out? Although I'm not in a ship at the moment. 9,960,000.
Stand by.
Look up power.
Data unavailable.
Ah, is that because I'm not in a ship? Right, let's go back. Oh, it's getting very jerky. Oh, what's going on? Now this has got 7 gig in memory. I don't seem to have much going on. I was getting a bit jittery there, but I have got this at maximum scale, i.e. no upscaling. I mean, I've got 16 gig on. Yeah, I'm streaming as well. Yeah. Oh, hi, McDoodle. Yeah, I'm off to bed soon as well. We've just been working on a large language model for the system. I'll show you it. I'll just show you it quickly because I think let's just update it. I need to look at the modules for it to pop through to the journal. Let's just ask. I've got to give her a name. I think Amanda is better. What's the milliwatt for my output for my ship? There's lots of there.
Querying. Data unavailable.
Nah, you see, data's unavailable. Okay. What station am I docked at?
Docked at Jameson Memorial.
Tell me about my frameshift drive module.
Checking the network.
Oh.
For ASCO frameshift drive, grade 5 shielded with double braced.
Okay. Very good. Hi, Andy. We spent 5 minutes in Elite and like an hour getting a large language model AI to work. Do you like dogs?
Data unavailable.
Something's not right there. What's going on? Why is the data unavailable? What have I done? Suddenly, is my... Data unavailable. Look up none. Okay, Control C. Maybe I need to... Right. Let's just see it again then. Where am I parked? She was doing it there.
Docked at Jameson Memorial.
List my frameshift drive module.
Standby. 4 ASCO frameshift drive,
that?
grade 5 shielded with double braced.
Okay. Interesting. Tell me about dogs.
Data unavailable.
Now, she should be able to talk about dogs. Are dogs allowed on the ship?
Understood. Amanda speaking.
Oh, I said don't talk. I'll talk loud on the ship. Are dogs allowed on the ship? If I didn't have a lisp, it would be easier.
No data indicates dogs are allowed on this vessel.
Oh, okay. Name a US president. I'm testing its...
Data unavailable.
That's interesting. How many jumps to Colonia? I know Colonia is a place, but... Yeah.
Querying. Within 15 light years, no jumps required. 8 systems between current location and Colonia.
No, it isn't. Is it? What's my jump range? I bet he says like 9 million or something and hallucinates it.
Stand by. 26.4 light years.
Now, Colonia, it might be getting confused with that for somewhere else. Let's find... Okay, let's try it again. We'll find... Oh, come on. I've got focus. The whole thing's... Okay, let's find something off the beaten track. Something I've not been to before. What? What do you mean 15 light years? 15 light years? I don't want to try. Akandi. I've not been to Akandi before. Bunda and oh god, Chu LX. Okay. Oh, it's Bunda then. We'll do Bunda. Akandi. How many jumps to Akandi? No, not Candy.
Data unavailable.
Yeah, it's difficult for it to... I mean, if I... Yeah, it's difficult for it to know stuff like this without copying it. Interesting. How many jumps to Fong Rang?
No data found for Thong Rang.
Doesn't.
Consider providing a more precise location or system name.
Okay, yeah, well, my Lisp doesn't help that. Okay, so that's... I wonder what... Let me just think now. Yeah, why? Why indeed? Why indeed am I doing this? Let's go to config JSON here. And I'm just going to change it. What options have we got? Profile, natural comments. I'm looking for profiles, reboot, output device, profile. I'm looking for chatter, chance, doc, persona. What personas? It's got persona as standard. Yeah, let's pick a... I can't remember what other personas are. I could type it in. Oh, there. I could actually... Yeah, well, I just thought, you know, standard, nerdy, flustered, impatient, veteran. Nerdy, flustered, impatient. They're just markdown files in personas. Copy on them way up your prompt. 4 things in each character prompt. You speak. Okay. Flirty. There we go. Flirty, please. Let's have a flirty one. Okay, it's going to do me a flirty profile. So if I put flirty in here, we'll get flirty. So I'm going to save that. Oh, okay. I'm going to save that. Control save. Clipboard. So it saves the clipboard. Okay. Right. We're going to have a flirty run. I hope it saves as flirty. See what flirty does. Why am I doing it? Why? I was playing with it yesterday, and I think, well, I want it to sort of. I was doing a bit of flight sim, talking to Amanda, the same intentions thing, and I want to, a bit more interested in that. So what I might do is install Chatterbox and just clone Amanda's AI voice. Get a bit of that and sort it out. So we've got Persona Flirty MD. Okay. Persona Flirty. Okay, let's do it down. Name Flirty. We're going to save this. Save as download as MD. ED Covas Personas. Save. Okay, so now we've got Flirty. I'll just save that. Control save. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Right, let's just open that up again. I've got to start a new terminal because you can. And okay. Okay, Persona is Flirty.
Chip computer online.
How are you doing today?
Fuel's at 13.6 tons. You do like to cut it fine. The ship's in good shape, though I suspect you knew that already. Shinrata Dejra is looking particularly picturesque from your bridge. Wish you were here to see the sunset.
Would you like some tea? I'm just trying a large language
Ship's
model.
systems are functioning optimally, Commander. A cup of tea sounds delightful, but I think the docking bay deserves a proper tour first. Maybe after we've landed.
What the AI said was you had your FSD modded for shielding and double braced. Modded FSD models for shielded and double braced. Oh, that's the why. I don't know. Seemed good at the time. I mean, what would you recommend? I mean, everyone goes, why have you done that? Or put this on, do this and stuff. Double braced and shielded. I don't know. It might be wrong for all I know. Right. How far to Daciat? Oh, Daciat.
1 moment for you. Distance to Dashi is approximately 47.3 light years. Commander, we should plan for a jump when you're ready. The stars are calling, aren't they?
She doesn't know where Daciat. How far to Daciat?
Distance to Daisy is about 52.1 light years.
Can't do it.
Commander,
She
shall we
can't.
make the journey soon? Dace's lights might be worth the trip.
I don't know. Where's Desi? Okay, does she know? Is there a place called Desi? Desi on theirs? Every button on this joystick is beginning to fall to bits. Desi? Let's see if she's right. There is no place called Desi. There is no place called Desi. Ah. Okay. Increased range. What the AI said you had FSD modded for shielded and double O's. That's the why. Because it's a combat ship. It's a combat ship. It's really heavy. And everything else. It's not light at all. It's meant to be not going very far. That's the idea. If I can do other things to it, it'll be fine. Is coming up with some systems that don't exist. Yeah, I've got an. If I want to do some flying, I've got an asp, or I'd buy one of those Caspians. But you know, it's to go into places and go pew pew at all the weak people and come back again. So hallucination risks. Yeah, Laxac. Interesting. So it's extend a no invention rule from numbers to names. So actually, it was making up numbers before. She's hallucinating. You're hallucinating. So what she thinks about that?
System info AGS. System Daisy.
What? That's wrong. Well, it is only the first time I've done this. I only built it, when was that, this morning or yesterday? We had a go. I think I was playing it this morning. Worked fine on the Mac, but then I didn't have all this journal data. No, I could do up to 40, but as I say, it's meant to be heavy, shielded, and only weapons focused, shields and weapons focused, thrusters, you know. But at the moment, it's got the range could go up. I don't know. No invention rule. Okay. Oh, the real fix is the bigger model. The bigger model. She's gone mad. She has. I could try it. Okay, let's download. Right, we're going to see if she stops hallucinating. She's gone mad, Cliff. You're right. Oh, I better stop her brain. Okay, let's download as Pi. Covas. Save. Yes. Okay, so I could try the bigger ones. Okay, let's take the bigger one and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to take the bigger one out, and right, for connected. That's that done. Yeah, I know I probably will do. Yeah, I've got my ASP for doing any nonsense with jumping. Okay, right. So let me open a new terminal in here, and I'm going to download. You can't see what I'm doing, but we'll put the display capture on. Let's see. Put down the 5.14. So it can't unsay a spoken line, but an invention to flying there. You might straight about the limits. This makes a 7B will oblige when pushed. 14B is markedly better. Okay, let's try it. We're going to pull out the bigger one. We're going to pull out. Oh, that's a bit bigger. That's 9 gig. So we'll bring out the bring down the larger model and see if that fits. I want to see my VRAM. Oh God, how do you see your VRAM? Is it NVIDIA? NVIDIA app. Oh, NVIDIA control panel. No, it's the NVIDIA app. Show me. Where's the NVIDIA app? Oh, here we go. But install. Oh, come on. Updating. No, if you put in a game ready driver, I'll be absolutely peeved. Oh, close. Yeah, I know. Drivers, graphics. No, system. Here we are. Video. Performance. How do you tell? How do you tell what's going on? Displays. I don't know. How do you find out? Graphics. Home. Drivers. Graphics. System. How do you tell? VRAM GPU utilization is only 28%, but how do I find out what the... How do I find out what's in it? GPU mode. Moves all currently overclocking. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh. I need the tool that I had before. Not sure how I look at VRAM. Oh, let's just ask Claude while it's working. I look at VRAM. Because this is a new thing. It hasn't got all the tools of the old one. Task manager. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. Ah. Oh, that's interesting. Let's open a new one. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my god, how am I supposed to know from here? Oh my goodness. Processes, GPU. Oh, how do I look? It's only 29%. So what's Elite taking? Let's have a look. Notepad. ED launcher. Where's Elite then? How do you tell from here what's going on? Oh, processes. Here we are. So it should be down here. Notepad, Claude, overlay, process. Oh my god, what do we do? How does this work? Where's Elite on here? ED launch. I have no idea what that's doing. No idea. Let's do this then. NVIDIA SMI. Yeah? Is it doing anything? Hello? What does NVIDIA SMI do? It gives a total used. And a process list for... I don't know what we're meant to do. Oh, there's a good one. No, it's not doing it. Control C. I'm in the wrong thing here. Alarma PS. Oh, here we go. Name, ID, doesn't say anything. Oh, it's because I haven't got it working, have I? Let's do that then. Oh, there we go. Odyssey. I saw Odyssey just there. Elite Dangerous. Using practically anything. Is that GPU? But that doesn't tell me the RAM. Oh, 9, 10 out of 16? 28%? No idea what all that means. No idea. Is it still loading or is it broke? Oh, it is slowly loading. It needs to be stuck. Oh no, it is moving. Yep. Anyhow, right. We'll leave that plugging away, and we'll just turn off display capture, and we'll turn off the robot pilot. Anyhow, so yeah, let's come back. What I was going to do, seeing everyone's here. Oh, everyone's off. Okay. Yeah, I was just going to change. I was going to get rid of these shield boosters and put something else in there, like a chaff or something, I think. Yeah, chaff and a something. And I was just going to the main thing is just to swap these two over. So get a new, no, that's not it. Yes, I was going to swap those over, get a bit of bigger shield generator and stick in more armor. And I'll probably lose a bit more maneuverability. But I'm not very good at it anyhow. So that's what I was going to do. And I mean, you can see deployed and retracted here, down here. That, you know, it's almost right. It sort of works, but I want a bit more shields, and I can. Anyhow, once it's all working, it'll be fine. Right. Anyhow, that's it for today. It's just gone 12, and it didn't do much, but we played with it in the games, and we'll look at the build. I'm going to have to look at the build again because it's wrong on my list. Doesn't match it. And I'll catch you all later. Okay, thanks for coming. And whatever. So catch you later. Sorry we didn't do too much Elite, but I thought it would be quicker than it was. So catch you all later. Bye bye.